Oh my God, chicken nice. You see it? Mm-hmm. Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanking you all for joining with me this far. Today I'm gonna make strong back juice. Why I call it strong back? The amount of something when me put in this juice, I really a strong back. Okay, first let me introduce you to my custard apple. Yes, I have the tree at the back and I pick some and I'm going to make custard apple juice. And you know what we're going to top it up with? A lot of stuff. Just bear with me. Let me start on my peanut. I have a cup of peanut. I have Irish mash. 2 Irish mash. I have supplement. I have sweet milk. I have malta. I have 3 malta. And all my spices. This is mixed spice. This is cinnamon spice. This almond. And this is rose water. And vanilla. You get me? So I tell you that is really strong back juice. Okay. I'm going to blend my peanut. And then I start on my custard apple. Okay, first, I already washed them already. I am going to take out this. I'm going to cut them and remove, see if I can remove the seed before I put it in the blender. Okay, I mean they're well ripe. Look, oh Lord. They're ripe. I'm taking out everything from it. My peanut, look, see it? Smooth and nice. Okay, I'm gonna put this to sit down and all right, I'm gonna throw some water on it. I just want to get all this. So see it? I put it in the strainer and look how nice it come out. And then I'm gonna put it in the blender. But what I get out of the strainer is like this. I'm gonna put it in the blender and stir it. Put it and shake for like a second, and then the seed. I don't want the seed to burst open. Okay. I'm done. Okay. No seed burst. Okay. In the blender to get more smoother, right? Oh my God, chicken nice. You see it? Guys, this is my custard apple and peanut. That's it alone. Look how it look nice already, like I had milk to it yet. Alright, I will just put in my ingredients. First, I'm gonna put some nutmeg. A little tip more. Yes. And then I put some mixed spice. And cinnamon. Wow. My almond. Teaspoon. My vanilla. Let me put 2. Rose water. My malta. Let me stir this first. Let's start out with 1 malta. An Irish mash. Gent. Smells so good. Smells so good. I remember growing up in Jamaica, my mommy always tell us that when you're cooking, you sing. Because when you sing or saying something, the food nicer. I don't know how that come in, but that's how it go. All right, let me put my condensed milk. Oh, I will put one here. Okay, looking good, right? Looking good, smell good. Look, wow. But all right, let me see if I can add anything else to it. Let me give it a taste. Yes, I'm just gonna add my next Irish mash to it. And I think I put a little more supplement in it. Oh, the pot is so full. No. This one, Irish mash is a peanut. Yeah, although I have peanut in there. Okay, I'm gonna put some more of this. Oh, that's it now. That's it. This is good. This is good. Huzzy, you're beside me. Just get a spoon and give me a taste here. And tell me if it need anything else. Okay, you can take it.
So delicious. You
Don't need anything? All right, okay. All right, let me get some. Wow. This is a long journey with my juice, right? And it look delicious.
Cheers.
Oh, yes.
Oh, this is so rich. This is what you call a strong back. So delicious, darling.
That's the name I give to it before you come here, you know? Strong back.
So nice.
Gonna strong your back, Ozzy.
Yes, you can imagine.
All right. Thank you all for watching. I wish you were here with me to drink some of this. Really nice, really nice. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comments down below. Thank you all for watching. Love you all. Thank you for joining with us so far. Bye-bye.